So we'll start. So first, welcome to everybody. I'm Elie Auvray, CEO of Jahia Solution Group. You know, when you decide to organize an event such like as JahiaOne, there is a lot of questions. How many people for a first event we may accept? What is the size of our community? How many customers and partners will share their experiences? How many developers will participate to the development contest and certification? I'm pleased to announce that we are sold out and we are above all our expectations, considering our amazing speakers like people from Abercrombie & Fitch, HomeAway.com, European Parliament, University of Laval, or Socomec, people we respect a lot and work with sometimes for more than 8 years. Having great partners like Smile, Capgemini, Sigma, Engor, Inflection Point, our media sponsor, Open Source Guide, CMS Critics, Collaborative Info, and Developer.com, and eventually looking at the quality of the application and module we analyze for the developer contest. And by the way, the result will be announced at our gala dinner tonight. This is a really great achievement for us. So first of all, on behalf of the entire Jahia team, I want really to thank you, all of you, all the people that are here, all the partners, the customer, and making this event such a success. So thank you. I always have been an entrepreneur. Built my first internet software company at 22 back in 1996. And when you start a project, you have a lot of questions, a lot of uncertainties. But with focus, patience, with a good product, if you deliver what you promise to your customer and partner, great things may happen. And at one point at a time, there is a switch, a real switch, something that happens with a fantastic alignment between the product you built, the market requirement, a milestones in a company story where all pieces of the puzzle comes perfectly together, like magic. And this is happening right now for Jahia. This is really happening. 2 years after the launch of our new refactored open source content platform, we multiply our software bookings by 50%, making 2013 the best year of the company ever. But as an entrepreneur, let me tell you this. You are nothing without the people you're working with, without the passion, the products they are building together. And this is the people of Jahia. So, at the end, you rely on people. At the end, it's all about people working together. Again, people working together. At the end, what is true for a company you build, it's also true for all the projects you are in charge of. As a project manager, as a technical director, as a digital marketing manager, as a developer in charge, you are currently facing, and surely will face, the very same problems to solve and challenges to cope. And the digital challenges your company, and more precisely your team, and the teams that you have to work with, whatever they are, whatever the point of view, business, technical, and IT, and marketing, are so important and so technically sophisticated that nowadays, the fact that you have to work together to answer these digital challenges is not a question anymore. And you know it. Everyone in this room knows that. Because the more you see the pressure of delivering continuous evolution of the digital presence of your company, the more you understand that this is not a question anymore. That's why the only important question is how. Can a software platform let business and tech people truly work together at last? Completing what we've initiated with the version 6.5, the entire Jahia software team worked for the last 2 years to offer an answer to that question. This is what digital industrialization is all about. This is exactly the alignment between a product and a pain to solve I mentioned earlier. Like Brian Ruby from CMS Report wrote, might sound like a typical sales pitch, but having met Jahia's CEO, I also know that he and Jahia have a good chance of delivering our promises, on promises made. And yeah, this is our reputation. I'm not saying that it's easy all the time, that all projects have been a smooth path, but we deliver. We are committed, and this is what we are. The type of project and companies we are supporting today are great proof of that commitment. And we are, as a team, really proud of that. And speaking about alignment, identifying this challenge you are currently facing and the choice you have to make, this is probably the most current, up-to-date topic we wanted to share with you today, thanks to one of the best Gartner analysts, Research VP and Lead Analyst for Web Content Management. Please warmly welcome Mick McGonagall.